here in Utah. I am going to snowbird in about a half hour. My breakfast is making. A little tour while I'm in the car. Okay. So, yep, I could still sit up while I'm in the car, even with the bed made. My windows are still covered, so nobody can see me. I am in the parking lot, and I've been here since I arrived last night. See there? Breakfast cooking. My oats. It's being powered by the Rockpals power station. And, to my surprise, I got the TV to work today. So what this is it's an antenna. This is an Android tablet. I have the antenna stuck in the window this morning. But I have tried multiple times to get this thing to work. It would search for channels. It would find channels. But when I go to play it, nothing. No signal. So I figured while I'm waiting for my breakfast to finish this morning, I'll give it a try again. And lo and behold, it's working. So I'm about to eat my breakfast and then hit the slopes. No shame in walking, and as you can tell, another snowboarder before me also walked. There is no way in hell I can't see the side of the mountain. As you can see, I'm even over the goddamn clouds. So yeah, I am walking. Check back in later. So I decided to make a pit stop because I had the time between Utah Snowboarding and Arizona, and this is Bryce Canyon. I've been here before, but figured, hey, why not? And you see, canyon in full glory. Heading up to Sunrise Point. There's a bit of a lookout area up there. This is the other side of the canyon. Gets really nice definition in the morning when the sun rises.